It's the dream of most hot startups to one day go public, relish in the spotlight that comes with being listed on a Wall Street stock exchange and watching your stock soar as investors eat you up. Groupon should not be one of those companies. Not public yet, but at this rate, if it does eventually go public, I can't imagine what investor in their right mind would want to look at this thing. Groupon, the popular daily deals site, has yet again revised its financial figures in a filing with the SEC, saying that its revenue that it reported for last year and the first part of this year much lower than originally expected. As my colleague Julianne Pepitone wrote in her story about Groupon's accounting change, math is hard. I don't understand why Groupon continues to have problems reporting what its actual numbers are. You may remember that Groupon earlier this year, after filing to go public, had to abandon a controversial accounting method that it referred to as ACSOI, Adjusted Consolidated Segment Operating Income, a bit of mumbo jumbo that made Groupon look a lot healthier than they really are. Groupon's not the only one to single out. Zynga, the very successful developer of popular games like Farmville and Mafia Wars and other things that people can, waste time on Facebook doing, that also has recently had to revise its numbers, saying that its revenue is not nearly as high as once thought. So I really don't get it. If you're going to file to go public, make sure your books are in order before you do so. Make sure you know what the actual numbers are that you're going to tell Wall Street.
I'm hoping that like McDonald's or Exxon tries to buy us. Like someone totally weird.
Note to Groupon, being this goofy works as a private company, but if you're going to be a public company, you can't keep doing silly things like that, which brings me to this. Why did you reject the reported $6 billion offer for Google to take you over again? If you keep this up, you're going to be lucky if you're worth $600 million when you go public.